Welcome to my mcp-link demo video. I'll start by showing you what it can do and then talk about settings and features. Good morning, ChatGPT. Can you please use the browser mcp-link tool to list the tabs I've got open and let me know what you think I'm working on? Each time it calls a tool, you'll be asked to allow it. We use context compression, so the first time you use a tool, you'll need to answer twice, because the first answer was actually loading the instructions that it needs to know to use the tool effectively. And this is it actually using the tool. And here's the answer. Look inside the Facebook Marketplace tab with the browser tool and tell me if any of the Macs listed really are M4. If it's using your browser, it will let you know. Let's do on with Claude instead of ChatGPT. Rearrange all my windows in a nice 2x2 grid. Please put them back again. This is the optional server. I'm using Cursor as well. And we've got Edge and Chrome open at the moment. If you pin the extension to your toolbar, it'll show up here. And you can adjust the settings, and you can also right click to get to them. This one lets you disable our web pages from being able to use tools. And this one lets you disable just the browser tool so that if you don't want them to use your browser. I've got two servers open at the moment. This local one, which you can see in the background in my command prompt. And I've got an American one as well. And we have other settings here. If you don't want it to ask you each time, you can have YOLO mode. You don't want to approve calls. And mcp-link works in Edge as well. Use the sqlite tool on the CA9 server to show the schema. Oh, seriously, in the middle of my screen recording. Use the sqlite tool on the CA9 server to show the schema of my HiveMind table inside my borg.db database. As before, it makes it do the README first. Now it's making the call. Notice it's not using this local server now because it's talking to America. And here's a table I've got in a different country. Use the GitHub MCP tool to tell me what issues we have on my mcp-link repo. So now it's running the server command to the GitHub tool to get the answer. And there aren't any issues. Inside our settings, you can reach our extensive documentation, and we strongly recommend you pay attention to this. You can use mcp-link for any program which takes MCP servers. It doesn't just have to be AI browsers. Use the browser MCP tool to list my history. This is what this setting disables. I'll just quickly show you its system tools some more. Use the system tool to list our windows. So this is it learning how to use the tool. And this is it listing the windows. What can you see inside the dir window? And as you can see, it can read what we have. Any window on the desktop, look straight inside them. You can right click to reach our options. And thank you for watching our demo video.